Imagine a world where farming doesn't require a driver. You might think that's a futuristic concept, but in China, it's already becoming a reality. Following the success of unmanned agricultural drones for spraying crops, China has unveiled another farming artifact, the Honghu unmanned tilling machine. You just have to say, China's manufacturing is impressive. No need for a person to drive, it runs automatically, tilling the land quickly and in perfectly straight lines. And here's the most amazing part. Charge it for 2 hours, and it can till 40 mu of land. The cost per mu? Just 6 yuan. That's less than $1 per acre. Farming by lying flat is no longer just a dream. With just one button press, it not only starts tilling automatically but can also perform a soil health check. On May 9th, in the fields of Longwang town, a silver-white iron ox was busy moving back and forth. Meanwhile, nearby, people were just standing around, chatting and laughing. Before they knew it, the field was already tilled by the robot. This scene went viral online, sparking a huge reaction. One netizen was stunned, asking, "Is this for real? If this came to my village, I bet even the mayor would pretend to be a farmer." Another side, before, driving a tractor meant you were covered in dirt by the end of the day. Now, you can sit by the field and just swipe your phone to get the work done. This is what you call technology changing the way we earn a living. Of course, some netizens were curious, is this machine reliable? Absolutely. It was actually put to work back in April at the Fuxi farm in Yangyang district, Anyang town. At that time, 4 iron ox robots, looking like transformers, were navigating the fields autonomously. Equipped with rotary tillers, they turned the soil over perfectly, leaving neat, uniform furrows. Watching the iron ox robots diligently working directly amazed many villagers nearby. By the way, iron ox isn't their official name. This specific model is called the T70, produced by Shiyang Guoke Honghu Technology Company, Limited. According to maintenance engineer Zhong Jiawei, this unmanned tractor's tilling efficiency is twice that of a traditional one. A traditional tractor can till maybe 15 mu a day. The T70 needs just 1 hour to charge fully, then it can work continuously for 6 hours, tilling over 30 mu. The most crucial part? The electricity cost for one charge is only about a dozen yuan, which is less than 1/6 the cost of fuel for a diesel tractor. Wang Longyang, operations manager at Guoke Honghu, explained that operating the T70 is incredibly simple. Humans only need to set the working area and speed. The system automatically generates the optimal path for autonomous driving. It can also use sensors and AI algorithms to sense the soil's softness and hardness, automatically adjusting the tilling depth and speed. It understands the land better than old farmers. Its front millimeter-wave radar can precisely identify obstacles, preventing collisions. It truly achieves one-button start, full process worry-free. Beyond tilling, the T70's 18 martial arts are equally impressive. By swapping different implements, it can handle rotary tillage, plowing, seeding, harvesting, and more. At a demonstration, a T70 with a seeder attachment moved steadily along the planned path, sowing seeds evenly. The row spacing error was less than 2 centimeters. Tang Guohui stated, previously, seeding required multiple people working together. Now, one machine can handle it, and the seeding amount is precise, saving 30% of seeds. He added that the application of smart farming machines not only improves efficiency but also brings significant economic and environmental benefits. Tang Guohui did the math. Traditional farming machines cost about 80 yuan per mu for operation. The T70 only needs 15 yuan for electricity. In just 1 year, the cost savings from tilling alone can be hundreds of thousands of yuan. Furthermore, electric farming machines have zero emissions, reducing pollution from diesel burning and aligning with green agriculture development. Speaking of this, we must mention the background of the T70's development. As the China Academy of Sciences base for transforming intelligent agricultural machinery achievements, Guoke Honghu leveraged the Academy's technological advantages. It took 3 years of research and development to create this smart farming machine suitable for hilly areas. Its multi-motor decentralized design is ingenious, with separate systems for traction motor control and PTO, power takeoff, control. The two operate independently, increasing power efficiency while reducing energy consumption. Wang Longyang stated, "Our goal is to allow farmers in hilly regions to also use advanced smart farming machinery. Therefore, the T70 uses a modular design and can be customized based on different terrains and crop needs." Besides the T70 smart tractor, Guakahonghu also developed a soil testing robot. It looks like a green grasshopper from the outside, but inside, it's equipped with a 30-centimeter deep scanning device. This allows it to run through the fields at a speed of 50 meters per minute. It can cover thousands of mu in a single day. Data on over 100 types of soil components is simultaneously uploaded to the smart farm's AI brain. Previously, agronomists had to dig up soil samples and send them to a lab. Now, the robot drives a lap and generates a soil health report. And on a mobile app's 3D soil model, nutrient content like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and pH levels are clear at a glance. Currently, Guakahonghu has launched 3 models of electric smart tractors with different power levels. The soil testing robot and an electric smart corn harvester is also coming soon. They expect to produce and sell 1,000 sets of these machines this year, with a value of nearly 600 million yuan. Looking ahead, Tang Guohui is full of confidence. He says, with the continuous upgrade of technologies like 5G and beta navigation, smart farming machines will become even more intelligent and precise. He adds, "We plan to build 10,000 mu of digital farmland around the Fuxi farm, using a company plus farmer model to bring the benefits of technology to surrounding farmers." These transformers are becoming a powerful force driving agricultural modernization. After witnessing the iron ox tilling robot at Fuxi Farm, let's shift our focus to the southwest hills. Watering, leveling fields, transplanting rice seedlings. Recently, the core area of Heavenly Granary in Maishan City, Sichuan, the Zuwen town, entered its annual peak rice transplanting season. On April 13, 2025, in Marshan Village, Zuwen town, 2 unmanned operation machines attracted many nearby farmers who came to watch the excitement. The field became a technology showcase. The 2 smart rice transplanters, demonstrated in action without a driver, drew the attention of many. Villagers watched and exclaimed, "Only one person is needed to add seedlings to the transplanter, and the machine can plant by itself. It can plant 4 to 5 mu per hour. A manual laborer can only plant 1 mu a day. It seems we might be eliminated." Just like the unmanned tilling machines at Fuxi Farm, these transplanters are also equipped with a smart brain. This system, developed by the Sichuan Academy of Agricultural Sciences, gives the machine AI eyes. According to the product technology lead, researcher Huang Ping from the Provincial Academy of Agricultural Sciences Remote Sensing and Intelligent Agricultural Technology Research Center, the transplanter with this smart brain uses beta centimeter level positioning and AI dynamic algorithms. It can automatically complete field boundary searching, path planning, turning, and precise start-to-stop for transplanting. It ensures the last row of seedlings is transplanted just 15 centimeters from the field edge, which doesn't waste land and is convenient for later field management. What's even more amazing to the old farmers is the machine's learning ability. After continuously working on 3 fields, the system automatically generates data reports on soil stickiness and transplanting depth, providing references for the next planting season. This is like having an untiring master transplanter who understands the land's temperament better the more they work. This is enough to make many large-scale farmers interested. But whether it's truly worth the investment depends on the cost. With a modular retrofit solution, this system can be adapted to over 90% of existing transplanters, significantly reducing the equipment upgrade cost for everyone. At the scene, Huang Ping did a simple calculation. Manual labor for machine transplanting is expensive. A regular transplanter with human labor costs 800 yuan per day. For a 60-day transplanting season, the labor cost alone is 48,000 yuan. A set of this smart system costs about 30,000 yuan, meaning you can save the cost in less than 1 transplanting season. From bending over to plant rice to machines dancing in the fields, smart transplanters are rewriting the script of farm work with technology. The cost reduction and efficiency increase are visible, and they are becoming the main force in hilly rice fields. According to Huang Ping, as of now, this system has been promoted and applied to 80 sets and is very popular among large farming households. This year, the R&D team will also collaborate with companies like Jifeng Junong and Yao Nongye to provide customized services to agricultural cooperatives and large farmers in major rice-producing areas of hilly regions like Chengdu, Dayang, and Mianyang, with plans to promote the application of 300 sets within the year. Alright, that's all for today's content. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it to let more people see China's progress. Subscribe to my channel so you can look back at past videos and not miss out on exciting future content. See you in the next episode.